In this video, we'll discuss about the Pro version of our range slider. So how the free version works and how the basic setup of range slider works. Please check our range slider free version video. A link of that video should be available on top of this video by now. So after you check that, please come back to this video for further setup. So now for the range slider Pro, we have to activate Pro Addon. Now we need to go to all add-ons and search for range. We need to enable the range slider Pro. Now let's go back to our old range slider form. So here let's try to do some option with the Pro version. So we select range slider. It's a double handle. So we have the range slider style here, which are part of Pro. So we can select style 2. We can set the label for something. The separator, we can make this like this. Minimum label, we set this. What can I set this? Lower limit. And we can set this upper limit. Now everything as these are all part of the free, as you know. So we can set this to 100, maximum range 500, default value 300, and range steps is 1. Save. Now let's check our form. So we on our previous video, as you know, we set some styling. So we just remove the styling to see how it looks by default. Yep. So as you can see, we have the lower portion, upper portion, and this is the after message we set, which is this gibberish language. And we have the 100 and 200. And as you can see, the design is a bit different. So what happens if we select style 2? So where is the style options here? Style 2. So we selected style 2. Let's select style 3. So this is style 3, which is a bit different than how it was on the previous version. So as we said on the last video, these spacing issues you can fix with our styler add-on. And now let's see how the style 1 looks like. So this is style 1, as you can see. And this is the separator. Now let's try to do single handle. So handle number 1. So here is our handle number 1. So that's how the range slider Pro option works. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.